Make a great choice today with the 2019 Cooper Convertible. The Cooper Convertible is the drop-down version of the standard Mini Cooper. This is the car that just sips gas. Even if that isn't your concern, the Convertible allows you the same go-kart feel as driving the standard hardtop. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, parking sensors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.